Hey, hello, hello. How are you, everyone? How you doing? Can you see me and hear me well? Please, just yes on the chat. No, yes, no, yes. All right, all right, all right. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you. Hello, Kevin, Brax, Brett, Mr. B, Lilia. Hello, Michelle, Dennis, Octavio, Uncle Max. How are you? How are you? How are you? Good morning. Um, it's it's an awful day in Houston. We had a flood watch since yesterday. Uh, it was how Americans say it was falling dogs and cats, something like that. When it's pouring, when it's raining heavy, how do you say, guys? It's falling dogs and cats, cats and dogs, something like that. All right. Raining dogs and cats. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, like I mean, it's heavy raining, heavy raining. I actually had to take inside my dog. I'm not sure if you know her, but I do have she's a 5 year old Dalmatian. Her name is Maya, and she lives on the backyard, right? But it has been raining so hard that I actually took her inside to the garage. I have a small fence, and I took her in because I mean it's just crazy, just crazy. All right, hello Shoki, Californication. Hello Dora, Saiki, how are you? So, all right, guys, let's get started. All right, next month, new month, May 2026, and a very clean example of what execution should look like when you remove noise. Yesterday, let me show you yesterday, guys. Let me show you yesterday. What a nice day yesterday. All right. Yesterday, we closed the month with a very clean trade, right? And the key there was simple, not chasing the move. Not chasing the move. I want to show you here how the drop was. We were not chasing the move, right? What we were doing, recognizing a structure, right? The 947 candle right here. That candle wasn't an entry, not for me, because it came after a very impulsive move, right? Risk was just too wide. Instead, I was looking at this rejection at 713, failure to make a new high, break of previous day high. You see, that's a structure shifting. So the plan was continuation. My target 711. Not catching the move, executing the shift. Right? Now today, let me move the chart today. What happened today? What happened today? All right, today market opens at all-time highs and start and it pushes aggressively for the first hour for the first hour, and this is where most traders lose control because they feel like they are missing the move. So what they do, they chase. I didn't. At that moment, I honestly thought, like, I think it was something like here. I actually talked to Kevin. There might not be an opportunity today. And you know what? I was completely fine with that. Because that's part of the system. Right? Then the setup shows. Right? It was clear, right? It was clear the break of this support, then retest, support turn into resistance, break and retest of intraday market structure shift. Wink, wink for all of you guys that attended to the workshop. If you know, you know. So break and retest of intraday market structure shift. Break, retest, boom. No doubt. Entry, entry right here. No hesitation. Why? Same process, same system, right? Then management. Taking profits at my levels. Taking profits at my levels. Scaling out as planned before even opening the position, right? Letting the trade work without interfering until what? Until change character, right? Like until the shift was there. And that's where I close. Not because I feel something, because the system tells me the condition change. That's execution. Now, listen carefully. This is the difference. Most traders react to the move. I react to structure. Most traders chase the price. I waited for confirmation. Right? Most traders trade noise. I trade my system. New month, same commitment. Double down on execution. Only trading what it fits my rules. Ignoring everything else. Even if the market is moving fast, right? Because let's be honest, that first hour today, most of you were either chasing or feeling like you missed it. Neither is execution. You don't get paid for being early. You don't get paid for being active. You get paid for executing the right conditions. All right? Well, let's break it down. Let's break it down, all right? Hello, Paco, Randall. Hello, Red. Would you say the 1027 candle was a lower high? Give me 1 second. 1027 candle was a lower high? No, it wasn't. Something like that? Something like that? 1027 candle. 1027 candle here. No, it wasn't. It wasn't. However, that's where the shift starts, right? That's when you are following this kind of trend line, it's exactly when it starts shifting, right? Randall, you took the same setup but closed on the 1034 candle. Was that the break of structure? 1034 candle, 1034 candle here. Oh, you took this 1034. All right. That's great. I mean that's great. That's exactly what I was saying. This is kind of the look at this. This is the first resistance. Then it was used as a support. Then we break here, retest, and drop. I think that was a good entry, Randall. I think that was a good entry. All right. Declan, hi Neto. I didn't take this short today, but I will have entered as price broke the low of that bull bar after putting it over weeks. Like this one here, this bull bar. What was your entry trigger for this trade? Well, this resistance turned into support, now turned into resistance again. That's I mean there's literally there's nothing too much else to explain here. In terms of my reasoning, I mean I don't have much more reasons to enter, but you know, like momentum to the downside. This is actually a lower low, came back, retest. Now we have market structure to the downside, momentum to the downside, failing to create new high. So that's you know my tongue. You know my tongue. All right. Declan. Oh no, sorry. Shoki, I sold the MNQ at 949 like your trade. All right. Good. Paco, I entered 1110. 1110 here. Okay. Yeah. No, I get what you tried. I get what you tried. It just didn't work, right? And why didn't work? Why didn't work? Look at this. This is this is the pre-market. It's the pre-market last effort. Can you see here? It was the pre-market high, and it was the last push before, you know, the actual trading hours buyers actually stepping in. All right. Randall 1043. Okay. You entered 1043. No, entered 1034. Closed 1043. Enter 1034 here. Maybe like here, like around 723.60, something like that. And you close 1043. That was a good trade, Randall. That was a really good trade. Okay. Declan, I was looking for a break below that bull bar at 1033. What level or candle did you want to see price break to enter? For example, I wanted to see the low of the 1033. Low of 1033. Low of 1033. That's fine. It's pretty much the same idea, right? Probably I was maybe I was a bit early here, but I really like this break of this support, this resistance turn support, now turn into resistance. And again, momentum to the downside. This is the break of support now turn into resistance. This is the break and retest. Market structure now is confirmed to the downside. So that's everything. That's everything. Hey, would you take this entry here? I think this is also a good entry, Declan. This will be something like the pay for clarity, right? This will be something like the pay for clarity, and also this will make sense. Look at this. This will make sense here because your risk will be a little bit beyond the top of the retesting candle, and your target will be the 5-minute opening range high. That's actually where I took most of my profit. So yes, this will be a really nice trade, just as you are explaining it. Yes. All right. Uncle Max, you entered 1033. 1033 here. All right. All right, so yeah, I think we all have a very good reading of this move. And again, it's not that you are right in the move; it's that you are identifying the shift. All right, that's what I just told you. That's what I just told you a few minutes ago. It's not about writing the move, it's about identifying the shift and executing the shift. All right? So, Neto, is this a good entry? Yes, it is. Neto, is this a good entry at the bottom of this bull candle? Yes, it is. Why? Because you are trading the shift, right? You are trading the shift. You are not trading the move. You are trading the shift, and that's more important, right? That's even more important. All right. So, guys, I don't have too many other opportunities on the market. I think after this candle here, this is guys, not sure if you remember this, but this was super important this year, and now it feels like ancient story. This candle here, tariff news. Come on, tariff news again. I know. I actually was reading what happened here, and I was like, tariff news? That's so 2025. But guys, now it's back. It's back. And for all of you that trade the downside, that's good news. That's good news. So it's not really good news for the economy as a whole. But if you are trading the downside, say welcome back to tariff news. All right. So guys, well, just as I said, this is I have a few emojis right here on the chat. Thank you, thank you guys. It's just funny. It's just funny because it really feels like maybe the past administration, but no, it has been only a few months from tariff news, and now it's coming back. And well, Brett, I totally wanted to get in at the close of that 1032, but lack conviction. Felt the shift, but doubted. Okay, 100 times backtesting this setup, Brett. 100 times. You know that. You know that, right? Sidekick. I saw the resistance of 724. 724. Resistance, now support. Uh, and I saw the market structure shift. I make the mistake of going to Palantir break and retest for small scalp, then held to my rule in not taking another trade. Friday rules. Yes, sir. That's a win on my books, Sidekick. That's a win on my books. All right. Awareness. Awareness of what triggers us, and having an interruption rule. That's a win on my book, Psychic. All right. Eileen, how are you, Eileen? Made it to Friday show. QQQ calls today. All right, give me 1 second. Brett, exactly only at 30 trades in my back testing. Yeah, but you are getting there. Once you watch it 100 times, execution will become automatic. Pattern identification, best conditions on the market, what a drawdown, what a average drawdown is, what an average reward is. You will understand everything there, Brett. I promise. All right. Bodo Masset. Well, do you have a course? Yes, I do. We just had a workshop last weekend. We just had a workshop last weekend. Next workshop, I don't know when it's gonna happen. I'm moving on summer to a different country, so not sure when this next workshop is gonna happen, or if it's gonna happen. I think it is, but not sure yet. So yeah, just stay tuned, please. Stay tuned. If you go to the daily tree reviews, you will find a lot of value, a lot of wisdom, a lot of good tips and tricks for not only about my setup, but also about how to find your own. All right. So yeah, just go back to the courses, and we are here Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. Eastern time. Uh, we actually usually we take a deep look into SPY and QQQ, and if we still have time, we go to the tech names. So if you have any question or something, just let me know. If you want to find more information about our services, just come here to my website. It's tradingperformancecoach.com. And actually, guys, this is an invitation to all of you to go visit my website. I made a few changes over the past weeks, and for being honest, I really like it. But it, I mean, I need external feedback, right? Because I mean, I did it, I made it, I designed it, and I made the graphics and everything. So my opinion is not relevant. Your opinion will be the most valuable here. So if please you can go take a look to my website tradingperformancecoach.com. I made a few changes. You're gonna like it, and also it's gonna be very useful for you because I have an explanation of my system and a few concepts. So you will like it. You will like it for sure. Just get yeah. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you. Yeah, just give it a try. It's gonna be it's gonna be good. And also, why I made these changes because more value is coming your way through the website. All right, so just stay tuned. I will try to drop all this value and content soon. So just for you to know. All right. Uh, Eileen, you're a, a 100% banger on Friday. That's that's I like it. It says page not found. Uh, trading performance coach. Oh, it's showing. Okay, let me. Yeah, it's just tradingperformancecoach.com. Yeah. Yeah, no worries. Safari. This. Yeah, this is the. Yeah, well, a few changes here. A few changes here. A few changes here. The EOS execution operating system, guys. You are gonna like it. You are gonna like it. Believe me. Just go take a look. All right, go take a look. All right. So guys, this is a special weekend. This is a special weekend. This is my birthday weekend. So I had a special breakfast today. I had chilaquiles, my wife special, and I will be off my computer, my Discord, my email. I will take some time off. Thank you for your wishes. I just received a few messages from you guys on the on the YouTube comments, and yeah, well, it has been a nice journey. It has been a nice journey. A few countries, a few cities, my beloved family, my wife, my she's my life partner, my kids. I'm I'm really excited for what is coming the rest of our life now in a different place. So yeah, this is gonna be a nice year, and we just started today. We just started today, my birthday month with You know what? I'm just watching. I didn't have it here. Let me copy image. No, this is not. Where is it? Right here. 105% today. Really proud of it. Really proud of it because I follow my system. So that's exactly what a system does, right? Uh, Repetibility on your execution, and well, I mean, we are getting used to nice results, right? But it's not because the outcome, it's because the system that we are following. All right, so all right, guys, thank you for your wishes. Thank you. Nadine. Thank you very much. Just a baby. Yeah, I'm turning. Yeah, guys, I'm not saying how many years I'm turning, because I look older than I am. So yeah, so guys, please don't try to guess. Please don't try to guess. Yeah, well, I'm turning 43. I'm turning 43. Yeah, I know. I mean, if I told you 48, you will buy it, right? You will buy it. Yeah, I know. I look older. It's because my hair. You said it. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. 35. Oh, thank you, sidekick. Thank you. All right. Yeah, the family is growing. We just crossed 3,000 subscribers last week, and now we are 3,000 and a quarter, right? 63. Come on. All right, all right. Same age like my second son. Yeah, I know, Uncle Max. All right. So, guys, thank you very much for joining. Remember the new episode of the Traders Mindset Mastery is going to be released in a few hours. And, guys, you can't miss it. All right. You can't miss it. I made it with a lot of love for you. So, you can't. That's the storm coming. You can miss it. So remember, it's only 3 or 4 minutes. I don't remember how long was it. It's only 3 or 4 minutes. It's only 3 or 4 minutes. So please subscribe to the channel. Turn the alerts on. This little bell on the corner. So you will receive all notifications about the channel. You know. I'm not posting memes, jokes, or anything. So any notification you receive is gonna be with a purpose, all right, with value, with something that you can actually consume and grow. All right. So don't worry about turning on my notifications. It's only value going your way. All right. So, Paco, that Paco, yeah, that will be my best gift. All right, all right. Yeah, the videos tab of his YouTube channel. Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. Thank you. All right. So, guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much for for joining. Thank you very much for your words. Thank you very much for being here every day, and for coming with your questions, coming with your experience, coming with your trades, asking the right things, and for being here on this journey. All right. So let's make this year the best of all the previous. All right. See you on Monday. All right. Bye bye.